Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a special car here today. It's a real 454. 1972, there's a W in the VIN code that designates 454. Most other years, you can't tell what motor the car came with, but this one you could. It's a real 454, which more than likely makes it an SS. It's been ground up restored. It's got cowl induction, gauges, and it's got a 4-speed. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can look at all the pictures, read all the specs, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, let's go for a spin in this 454 4-speed. I sold this car 3-4 years ago. I just bought it back from the people that I sold it to. It was a pretty fresh restoration when I sold it to them. While they've had it, they went ahead and put on custom wheels and a Global West Sport suspension underneath. So it's got a little bit of a lowered stance. If you look at our pictures on our website of the underside, you'll see all the front end components. It's tubular control arms, pro forged tie rods, heavy duty sway bar. So the whole front end is new. And they got the rear suspension package too. The control arms are solid steel, they're heavy-duty sway bar, coil-over shocks also, gas-adjustable shocks front and rear. So it's got the whole new suspension package. Tires and wheels, they're 18-inch, they're wider in the back, performance tires, all that stuff's new in the last couple of years or so. The body's in really nice shape. I don't see any signs of rust or blisters, and it's at least 4 or 5 years old, and there's no bad body work. I did look inside the trunk. The quarter panel is replaced at the factory seam, so it's all metal. The bottom of the doors, that lip that folds over, is clean front to back. I looked inside the fenders, and it's easy to tap on them. It's just all metal, so it's a rust-free car. The paint is beautiful, no vinyl top, just all sleek red. Stripes are painted on with the right dimensions. You don't even feel them. And it is an actual cowl induction hood. A lot of people just have the raised hood. This has the cowl induction system, which I'll show you in a minute. It has the hood pins. Up front, everything looks like it's replaced. The grille, the emblem, the bumper guards, headlight bezels. These look like they're original, but in good shape. All the moldings, emblems, mirrors, door handles, all this stainless trim has been replaced. All new window seals, new weather strips in the door jambs, painted nicely, new sill plates. So it's a good looking car. New windshield, back bumper, bumper guards, emblem, all been replaced. Perfectly clean trunk floor. Like I said, it has new quarter panels. This is painted up nice. They replaced the stickers, the weather strip, the mat. There is no jack or spare in here, but you do have a new car cover that goes with it. Inside the car has been all restored. It has new carpet on the floor, embroidered floor mats, has all the GM seat belts, even the shoulder belts. Seats have been reupholstered. The seat backs have been replaced. The headliner, the visors are new. The dome light works. The mirror is new. All the side panels are new, including the armrests, window cranks. The entire dash is new. The dash pad, the instrument panel, the lower dash, all around the glove box, it's all new. It's got the factory SS gauges, the round gauges with the tachometer. Heater controls look good. They did put a retro stereo right in the factory hole. This is nice. The firewall's gloss black. Underhood is red with hood insulation. And I was telling you about that cowl induction system. It's got the little actuator to open the flapper, and the air goes right in. Has an Edelbrock intake. Got chrome-plated Holley carb, HEI ignition. It's got headers, Wiring is all run neatly. The squirters are hooked up. It's got an aluminum radiator with a new clutch fan, stock shroud. The fuel pump, alternator, all looks good. There's still a sticker on the alternator. Optima battery with a disconnect switch. Owner's manual in the glove box. The center console looks to be a good original. It's real nice. Kick panels and the vents look like they're new. Walnut steering wheel. I drove it home. It handles great. This is a cold start. It's Monday morning. It's been in here since Saturday. Now you see the cowl induction door closes when you really tromp on it. That's when it opens to let that air in. Got a Flowmaster exhaust system, 331 posi in back. I think it's an M20 Muncie 4-speed. The floors are solid metal. You can see that door start to open when I was giving it the gas. I don't want to rev it too much. It's not warmed up. And I don't want to die from the fumes. Anyway, it's a slick looking car. It's a real SS 454. 4-speed. You can have a lot of fun. You're going to get compliments. You're just going to enjoy driving it even if no one's looking at you. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our salesman. I gave you my honest impression of the car. But please, if you have more specific questions or concerns, talk about it. They can help you, and they'll help with the whole process, the paperwork, the financing, delivery. They can help with all of that. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.